Man shares home with Rooster, dog and crab. He says the creatures are a part of his small family.
Teach them! Always make sure the message will reach them!
They say a dog is a man's best friend, but so too can be a rooster and a crab. Just ask Oneil Thomas, and he will proudly show off his dog called Instagram, as well as Ja Rooster and Ja Crab, who all have their own little space at his dwelling on 6th Street in Cockburn Gardens. Oneil's love for the visual arts is evident as there are numerous sketches on the board structure of his home. This is my business place and home in one. I used to sell plastic bottles, but now I sell old iron and scrap metal because more money is in it. I don't thief anything from anyone. I just walk and pick the things from outside their rubbish and use it to make my money, he said. The 55-year-old Rastafarian spent most of his life in the Kingston 11 community, but said that he was asked to leave his mother's home a few years ago. After falling on hard times, Thomas said that he did not allow his spirit to be broken. Instead, he built his home and decided to adopt a new family. I am a loner. Me not in the company thing. So my family is the animals I have here. A good look while me live here, sir. And me happy. This is my liquor spot until Babylon come move me. Because the house is at the corner of the street. Me used to worry a vehicle me run in it. But me not do that again because me is a light sleeper. Me sleep with one eye open at all times, he said. Thomas's home is also fruitful and electrifying as an ackee tree and utility pole protrude through his roof. Reflecting on his way of living, the Rastaman said he is content with his life, stating that the only thing he hopes for is a regular job. Nobody never try interfere with me because me on a wrong door. Me is not a problem to JPS because although the light post is in my home, me leave enough space so them can do them work if them want. Me take a little of them light, but me not use much cause me not have no big equipment I use on it. Me happy and me is not a mad person. I am just living for myself. Instagram, Ja Rooster and Ja Crab.
Teach them! Hey, yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's Teach Them right here. Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment below. Remember to like and share the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Follow me on social media and check out the suggested videos on screen. This is Teach saying, until next time, walk good, my friends.